Okay, so we've got a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA180 5-door automatic hatchback, grey metallic in colour. It's got the reverse sensors, front sensors as well, alloys, tinted windows, the big panoramic electric sunroof. Presents in excellent condition. It's only travelled 25,000. Full service history, one owner, beautiful car. Let's take a look at the interior. So we've got the Bluetooth connectivity, voice controls there as well. There's your dash. If I hit the OK, 25,000 Ks. Satellite navigation, CD radio, climate air conditioning. Of course, it's automatic. So it's leather, partial cloth as well. Stop you slipping around. There's the front passenger, logbooks, 2 keys. There's your back seat there as well, all looking like new. I'll show you inside the boot. Got the floor mats there as well. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.